This is a tutorial video for students and parents at LaGrange High School to learn the features of our Canvas Learning Management System and the Canvas Parent app. If you need further information on the Canvas Learning Management System, you can go to the Troup County School System website, and on the left-hand side under the quick links, you can choose Canvas Learning Management System. This information will get you started with student logins as well as parent logins. For students, logging into your Canvas account is easiest done through your Troup County School System Chromebook. Your Chromebook has probably been turned off over the summer and needs to be charged overnight, and you likely need to restart your Chromebook to make sure you've caught any updates. When you open your Google Chrome browser, your Canvas tab should already pop up. It has a red circle icon with little dots. That's your Canvas dashboard. If your dashboard and your Canvas account does not automatically load on your student Chromebook, or if you're using a different device to log into Canvas, you can use the website troup.instructure.com and log in with your student email at students.troup.org and your current student password. For parents, you also have the choice to download the Parent Canvas app. You can find the Canvas Parent app in your App Store, and you'll require just a few pieces of information. Canvas will ask you to find your school. That would be Troup County School System, Parents/Guardians, not LaGrange High School. This is the same for any students within the Troup County School System. You will need to create an account with Canvas, including your name, email, and create a password. And then you'll be asked for a student pairing code. That pairing code you need from your student's Canvas account. In the student Canvas account, go to the Account Settings, and you'll have the option to pair with Observer. Select the option Pair with Observer, and it will generate your pairing code to complete your registration for the Canvas Parent app. You can add multiple students to your Canvas Parent app by using the Manage Students function. Each student will require their own pairing code. Now let's look at a student account in Canvas and what you can expect to see and what's expected of you to begin your work on Monday. If you log into your Canvas account, you'll see your dashboard and you will see different courses that you are enrolled in. If you go into your course, you will find some icons on every course page are the same. Course modules, schedules, course help, and for parents. Some of your courses may have additional icons. For example, this algebra course also has a link for a calculator. Every course will have a link for parents. This brings you to a page of helpful parent information. It identifies the icons you see on your student's Canvas page, your attendance policy, the grading policy at LaGrange High School, as well as several school resources, such as a link to Infinite Campus, the student handbook. You can find a link to our athletics page where you can also purchase Granger gear. Information about who your student's counselor is, how to visit the counseling website, as well as information about Canvas and how Canvas works on your devices. The course help page on the student homepage is different for each class. Your course help page will have information specific to that course. For example, how to contact your teacher, or useful websites or other information specific to that class. You'll also have a Schedules button on every class page. This includes the LaGrange High School Bell schedule, as well as the Virtual Academy schedule. I'll revisit that in just a second. The first icon that appears, the green brain course modules, is where your assignments are housed. When a student goes into course modules, they will see their current unit or topic of study and the assignments for the student to complete. You'll find dates and point values on your assignments. When you open up an assignment, you'll see information here. In addition to the course modules, you have This Week at a Glance. This tells the student what they're responsible for completing each day. You can also see things that they need to do. On the right hand of the screen, you have a to-do list. And perhaps the most helpful on the left side of the screen is a calendar. The Canvas calendar will list all the assignments with due dates for every course you are enrolled in. So you can see your math, science, social studies, language arts, Spanish, electives. Any assignment with a due date is going to populate on your calendar. On the right-hand side, you can filter it by class, or you can change the colors that appear on your calendar. Returning to the schedules, this is very important for our virtual students. Virtual students are required to be available for live instruction every day of the week for specific courses. For example, on Monday, students are required to be live for social studies. That means when your child has their social studies class, they're required to be online at their social studies time. If your child has U.S. history during third period, from 10 to 10:50, your student needs to be logged in to their U.S. history Canvas and participating in whatever the teacher has posted. This might be a web call, this might be a live assignment, or whatever other course assignment is available that day. If Monday's the social studies day, your student still has assignments for math, science, language arts, all their other coursework that can be worked throughout the day. If you need to contact a teacher, students, or parents, you can do that through the inbox function in Canvas, as well as the Canvas Parent app. Virtual students, if you need assistance on something, make sure you do contact your teacher. Friday is the live day for electives, which means you may have more than one live class on Friday, so pay attention to what period you have those electives, such as Spanish or agriculture, and make sure that you're available during those designated times. Some other helpful information about assignments. When you open an assignment, the green brain button that says Course Modules is where your student will find assignments and what they're currently working on for the course. When you go into Course Modules, you'll see the unit or topic of study, along with a list of assignments. If you notice the assignment is bold, it is open. If you notice the assignment is gray, it's not open yet, and perhaps it's just because you need to complete the ones before that. If you see a green check on the right-hand side, you can hover over it. That means the assignment has been completed. If you see an open circle, the assignment has not been completed or not marked as done. When you open your assignment, you'll see a button that says Submit Assignment. This button says Resubmit Assignment because I've already done it once. If I'm trying to submit my assignment, I click the purple button that says Submit Assignment, and then a text box, or for example, a place to attach a file, will open up, and you can continue to write your text and then submit the assignment to say that it's been completed. You'll probably get a little celebration message, and at the top I got a green check, the assignment has been successfully submitted. You can also see on the left-hand side a place to see your Canvas assignment grades. When I pull that up, I can see the assignments, I can see the due dates, and if I've completed the assignment and it has been graded, I will see my score. Please keep in mind that in Canvas, you can see your assignment grades as well as your submissions and any feedback from your teacher, but you need to continue to use Infinite Campus to know your average and your overall scores in the course. Returning to the Parent Canvas app, I want to show you a few other things. Within the Parent Canvas app, you can set notifications for your student, including alerts for missing grades, as well as you can set a notification for grades above or below a certain score. Remember, course averages are only going to be recorded in Infinite Campus, so you will need to go there for any sort of notifications or to check your child's overall average. You can see your child's courses that they are registered for in Canvas, and within each course, you could see the individual assignment grades, as well as if the assignment has been submitted or not submitted. You can also see your student's front page within the Parent Canvas app, and you can follow the same links that your child can follow. A helpful link, as already noted, is the parent page in your child's Canvas classes, as well as the Canvas Parent app. You'll also be able to use the inbox icon, which will appear on the bottom left when you're looking at your child's course page, to message your child's teacher directly from Canvas. You can see your students' week at a glance with the assignments that they have coming up, as well as clicking the course modules, the big green brain button, and you can see the entire unit, the assignments that are coming up, due dates, and point values. Parents of freshman students who have Odyssey Wear on their schedule will need to be able to make sure that your student can access their username and password in Odyssey Wear. In order to access the Odyssey Wear website, go to troop.owschools.com. The student username is your student's login for school. That's first name, middle initial, last name, with no spaces and no capitals. The student password is 0 followed by their 5-digit student ID. The student password will be a total of 6 digits, 0 followed by the student ID. If you have further questions about Canvas or your child's work within Canvas, please contact your child's counselor or your student's teacher. Remember, you can contact those using the links provided within each Canvas course. We look forward to seeing all of our Grangers back on campus or virtual Monday morning.